Okay, let's roll through the.
I'm failing in class. I have a 45 in math, so I'm gonna take Algebra 1 next year.
Okay, you're gonna write in these properties where you have that blank space on that chart. What makes a quadrilateral a parallelogram is one of these 5 things. The first one is opposite sides are parallel. If you were just given a diagram, remember these little arrows tell you that they're parallel. So if this guy's parallel to this one, and then your sides, because they have 2 and 2, they correspond. Opposite sides are parallel. Okay, our next property, opposite sides are congruent. They're the same length. And again, remember those little tick marks tell you things are equal. Opposite angles are congruent. Remember those little archy marks tell you that angles are equal. What if we have an open notes test or quiz, right?
Oh, well, this is like common sense.
Consecutive angles are supplementary. Consecutive just means the ones next to each other. So like these guys, add to 180. These two next to each other, add to 180. These guys, 180.
So now you have to apply all these rules to these problems.
They're very basic. And kind of like intuitive. Angles next to each other, add to 180. That's all this one means.
We knew that.
You didn't know that. Our diagonals bisect each other. What does bisect mean? Cut in half. So like if this guy is 4, this guy is 4. And then would you add this? I know there's only 5 little boxes, but we just put it underneath right here. This one's kind of goofy, but if you just had a picture like this where only one pair of sides were congruent and parallel, that also makes it a parallelogram. So if you just know one pair of sides are congruent and parallel. Yeah, just put it underneath the box. I know there's not 6 boxes, but will you just make your own little spot for it? People forget about this one, that's why it's not on the chart.
Isn't it the same as the first 2?
Yeah, kind of combined. Okay. It's like, this shouldn't be super difficult. I don't know. We'll see how our brains are working today. So we're just finding a bunch of missing measures on this guy. Okay, let's start. AD, what do we think? This guy over here. 8.
That's definitely 8.
I agree. What about DC?
15.
15. Do we like this?
This is pretty easy.
8, 15. Ooh, angle A.
180 minus.
Yeah. What's 180 minus 68?
That's
112.
112.
And is it not going to be the same
That's
as
it.
C?
And,
Is that the same as C or B?
C.
C. Opposite angles are equal. 68. straightforward, right? Not so bad? Okay. Okay, now we're going to throw some diagonals in there and find some missing angles. Okay, FED, where's this guy at? FED. Okay, so if this whole guy is 134, what's this missing piece over here? 63. We all agree?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because you have to do 134 minus 71.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so, we just found it. DEC is 63. CDE, where's CDE? CDE. Can we find that one yet?
42. Yeah.
42.
Is it 42?
Actually, no.
Is it? Oh, it's
Yeah.
an angle bisect.
Do we know anything about angle bisectors?
Yeah.
We know diagonals bisect.
No, but could we add up all the
42.
all the angles?
Well, let's do this.
46.
We'll get to the bottom of this. We have a bunch of alternate interior angles in here because it's parallelogram, right? We have parallel lines. So if this guy right here is 71, this is 71. If this is 63, 63. If this is 21, 21.
Your period 5 is smart.
Everyone's smart.
That can't be true though,
Why?
because aren't they? They are a consecutive angle.
Parallel angles.
They're on the same line. They have to equal to 180.
What?
No, both are parallel.
Wait a minute.
You're doing great. We're just learning. We're learning. Can we find this missing angle in this triangle here?
Yeah.
9.
So what's 180 minus 21 minus 63? I honestly just don't want to do that. Don't tell me.
Or 96.
96? Anyone want to confirm 96? Okay. If this guy's 96, what's this guy here?
96.
Okay. How can I find this one next to it?
86.
180 minus 96 is 84. Okay. Now to find this missing guy over here, what's 180 minus 71 minus 84?
25.
25. And if this is 25, this guy's 25,
Sounds 46.
so it's 46. You guys were close with the 42, but it's 46.
Oh yeah, 46.
Okay, where's ECD at? Where's ECD is
71.
71. DFE 25.
Or that if you would.
Don't take life skills.
Are we ready for the next one? Solve for X. What do you guys know about opposite sides? Equal.
Equals each other.
They do.
If you take life skills 1 next year, you're gonna be a freshman. 8th graders first grade.
Oh, that'd be fun.
Do you guys get 16?
He'll probably.
What did you guys get?
8. Yeah.
8.
I like that.
Yeah, this is good math. This is good stuff. Okay, one more.
What do you mean?
Find the measure of angle B. Well, before we do that, we have to find out what X is. How do we find X?
Equal.
Equal.
X is 13.
You already found. Oh, I'm not that
Okay,
far.
Connor, not everyone's as smart as you.
Did it started before.
Trying to do my work.
Connor, we get it. You're the captain of the aviators.
Alright.
17.
Logan, you're the captain of the class though, so who's really winning?
Oh, hi, Dylan.
And Dylan, you guys can be
This
co-captains.
is the first game.
Yeah, go Captain.
Okay, if X is 13, how does that help us?
Plug it back in.
Plug it in. So if I find A, 6 times 13 minus 15, what, 78 minus 15? I think so. So we're gonna get what, 63?
Shut up.
Yeah.
Okay, how am I gonna find B?
180 minus 63.
Okay, someone tell me what you get.
117.
117.
Captain, slow down. Take Microsoft Time.
Okay.
So, yeah.